Alright, so we have the Hercules universal sink harness. Got that right here. Drew up some plans, came up with a plan. We're going to fix this sink right here, which got installed pretty poorly. It started falling here. You can see I got it jacked up in right there. The jack, and you can see how it's just got a piece of wood back there. There's actually some popsicle sticks. Those are sweet. Thanks. Alright, got the garbage disposal out, got the sink out. Now we're going to start on these brackets. Alright, now remember, we got 2 Hercules brackets, so we got 4 on that side, 4 brackets on that side. Alright, got all my wires looped through, twisted up. Both harnesses are in place. Alright, so we're all taped up. We got a little gap there, because we're right now being held up by our 2 harnesses. Let's get down in there. One on either side of the drain. Bow. Alright, so now we're all tightened up here. Both harnesses. All the way to that side. The sink is nice and tight. This thing ain't moving. Dunzo.